For new videos, please subscribe now and don't forget to hit the bell icon.
Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to reopen the tabs which are accidentally closed. So if your tabs are accidentally closed, then no need to fret. With Chrome, you can get it back. So let's get started. Right click on, on an empty space of your Chrome strip. As you can see, there is a option called reopen close tab. Just click on it and the tab which is accidentally closed is open. Now you can also use a shortcut called Ctrl plus Shift plus T. The tab which is accidentally closed is now open. Thank you for watching my video.